You can have up to 6 open documents at the same time. They are accessed with the tabs below the workspace. To create another document, click on the plus tab or click the New Document button in the top left corner of the program. The new empty workspace is opened up at once. To close the tab, press the X to the right of the tabs. After having opened a tab, you can load a saved SCD file. This will not affect the contents of any of the other tabs. You can quickly copy one or more objects from one document to another. While having objects marked, hold down Shift and click on the tab you want to copy the objects to. You can also Shift-click the plus tab to create a new document with the selected objects from the current tab. Each document is handled independently, thus each needs to be saved before closing down SignCut Draw.